Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to do a round 2. So as you see guys, it's way harder than the last one. So now let's delete the code. All we have to do is just go and finish at the starting position. Let's see. Must not step on grass. The correct path is shown in the dashed white line. Some tokens. Okay, version 1. So it stops at the starting position. It has to stop at the starting position. So okay, now let's write. Let me move over here. One time, move. One time to the right. Alright, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, then turn left. Then move 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to turn 3 times left. 1, 2, 3. Then move 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn left and move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn left. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then turn left again and move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now let's run it. It's a little big, but it has to work. Yep. It will, I think. Yeah, it will. But the code is so long and it's no problem. So okay guys, this was all for round 2. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.